In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can sell cryptocurrency on Binance if you're a beginner. So if you bought some Bitcoin, for example, or any cryptocurrency coin, and you don't know how to sell it, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, log into Binance and then go to the market. So when you hit market, you get this. You get favorites, zones, spot markets, and future markets. So the chances are high that you have traded in the spot market. So if you used just USD Tether, like a fiat spot, so you want to go to fiat market where you bought with your own money Bitcoin, for example. If we do Bitcoin, just in this example, you want to go to fiat market, and here you can see Bitcoin / USDT. So USDT stands for USD Tether, which is basically the cryptocurrency that is linked to the United States dollar, which has exactly the same value, right? So you can go ahead and hit trade, and as this comes up, and here you have the graph, the complete graph of Bitcoin. So let's do it to a week or to a month. It looks like this, and here you have the amount. So I have nothing in this balance, but if you do, the Bitcoin available here will be the amount that you have. So this doesn't only apply to Bitcoin, but also to Dogecoin or any coin where you're at. So you can go ahead and hit sell, and then if you want to buy everything, you can put it on 100%, and then the amount that you are selling will be available here. So this is, if you have, for example, 0.01 Bitcoin, and you select 100%, this will be 0.01. If you want only 50%, put it on 50. So I really like this thing here because it's very easy to use. So let's do 50 for now. Then you can go ahead and hit sell. But because I have no Bitcoin, I can do it. But this is everything you have to do. Hit sell. It will ask you to confirm. Then hit confirm and you'll be done. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Please subscribe and see you next time.